Hello children, this is Seema Singh again with the new video. In my yesterday's video, I told you the swallow plucked the gem from the sword and gave it to the poor lady so that she can buy the medicine for her child. Okay, and after helping that lady, the swallow did not feel any cold. Okay, it did not feel any cold, and it was very happy. And the prince told it that he did not feel any cold because he had done a good deed. He had done a good job. Now let's start with section 2. Little swallow, replied the prince, don't go yet. I can see a young man in the bare room where there is no fire. He is trying to write, but his hand is too cold to hold the pen, and he has nothing to eat. Take one of my eyes, they are made of blue gems. But I cannot do that, cried the swallow. Please do as I say, begged the prince. So the swallow packed out one of the gems from the statue's eyes and flew with it to the young man. He dropped the gem into the bunch of flowers on the table. When the young man saw it, he was so pleased that he forgot he was hungry and went on with his work. Now I can pay my rent and buy some food, he said. Back flew the swallow to tell the prince the good news. And now goodbye, he added. Okay, and now when the swallow came back, it told the prince that tomorrow morning, as soon as the sun rises, I'm going to go back. Okay, the next morning, the prince told the little swallow, please don't go now. I can see a man in the bare room. In the bare room means where, as I told you, it was a cold country and this man was very poor. The room was bare with no fire, and this man, it was so cold that the man was a writer. He was trying to write, but it was so cold that he could not hold the pen in his hand, and plus he had not eaten anything for many days. So the prince told the swallow that you pluck one blue gem from my eyes and give it to that man. But the swallow said, I cannot do that. Prince said, okay, you do as I tell. So you better pluck one gem from my eyes and go and give to that young man. And the swallow did as the prince told. She plucked one a gem from the prince's eyes and went and dropped it in the bunch of flowers that was lying on the table near the young man. And when the young man saw the blue gem, he was very happy and he started doing his work. Now he said, I can pay the rent and I can also buy some food. Okay, सो वो उस आदमी को जब ब्लू जेम मिला तो वो बहुत खुश हो गया. उसने बोला अब तो मैं मेरा रेंट भी दे सकता हूँ और मैं खाना भी खा सकता हूँ. एंड आफ्टर गिविंग द ब्लू जेम टू द मैन, द swallow again went to the prince and to give the good news that I have already given the blue gem to the young man and now I have to go. So goodbye. The swallow came to tell goodbye to the prince. I'm reading. Turn the page number 66. Okay. Don't go yet, pleaded the prince. Look down there. Do you see the little girl? She was trying to sell the matches, but her hands were so cold that she dropped them in the wet. Now they are of no use. Her father will scold her when she gets home. You must pluck out the gem from my other eyes and give it to her. But if I do that, you won't be able to see at all, cried the swallow. You will be blind. Please do as I say, begged the prince. So the swallow took the blue gem and dropped it in the little girl's hand. How pretty! She smiled and she saw it, and she ran off home to give it to her father. Once more the swallow flew back to the prince. I cannot leave you now that you are blind. I will stay with you and you can use my eyes to see. Okay, when the swallow went to tell the prince, okay, you told me to give the gem to the young man. Now I have given it to the young man. Now I am going back. The prince again pleaded the swallow, please don't go back. I can see one more person who needs my help. Look down there. There is one girl who is trying to sell the matches, and she is so poor and she has not eaten, and because of cold her hands were quite cold, and she dropped the matches in the water, and now the matches are of no use. Matches means matches. वो लड़की matches बेच रही थी और उसके हाथ इतने ठंडे थे कि वो matches पानी में गिर गई, right? And now the matches are of no use, and if she goes home like this, her father is going to scold her. So what you do, you take my another gem from my another eyes and you give it to her. Then the swallow said, no, no, I cannot do this. If I take the gem from your another eyes, you will become blind. You will not be able to see. But the prince said, प्लीज़ आई बेग यू, मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, तुम वही करो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. प्लीज़ यू डू एज आई say. So the swallow took the blue gem and dropped it in the little girl's hand. Okay, when the little girl saw the blue gem in her hand, she was very, very happy. She ran home with the blue gem in her hand to her father. So after giving it to that girl, once again the swallow went to the prince and she said, now I cannot leave you because now you have lost both of your eyes. अब मैं तुम्हें छोड़ के नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि तुमने तो अपनी दोनों आंखें दे दी है और अब तुम्हारे पास आंखें नहीं है तो तुम देख नहीं सकते. You have become blind. So I am going to stay with you so that you can see things with my eyes. You can use my eyes to see the things around you. So children, this is all in the second section. Tomorrow we are going to start with section 3. Till then, goodbye.